Hi guys, how have you been? So today I'm going to show you how to deploy a React web project. So here's my backend server. So first we are going to upload this to GitHub. Uh, if you have a GitHub account, let's log in and upload it. So if you don't have a GitHub account, sign up and create one. So I'm going to add my server to existing repository. So here I'm going to click add file, then upload files. And here I'm going to choose the file I want. I want the server in NMT admins. Going to open NMT admin server. Actually, we can't upload it like this because we still have non-modules in it. So I'm going to copy and paste whole server content into new folder named server and remove the non-modules there and upload it. So let's do this. I'm going to paste all of that here. Okay, now I'm going to delete it. Now here I'm going to upload that folder. And drag and drop it and just wait few seconds. After it's uploaded, it's processing and changes are done. Now I'm going to another website, render.com. I'm going to leave all the websites I'm using in description below. So okay. Now same as before, this is the render.com. So if you don't have a account, we get started and create a new account and follow my instruction. So I already have an account, so I'm going to use it. So after you created the account, you have to create new and static page here and connect your GitHub like this. I'm going to view authorized render. It's kind of like third party to your GitHub. This is a completely step website. And now I'm going to log in again. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new static page, and then I'm going to create the here connect repository. Let's connect. And now give this command and give the password. Now it's done. So I'm going to choose and then the admin here. Let's connect. And then here apply these details correctly. I'm going to give server here too. Here I'm going to do MongoDB because I connected to MongoDB. And here you have to give the connection string in MongoDB. Okay, no. So after that, you see something like this, something like a row. So go there and go to manual deploy and deploy latest commit. So wait until it's deployed. you have to wait few minutes sometimes. So copy this link here, and let's go to our code again. Here, here I'll show you where some places I've used the backend. Here I used environment variable like in the local one because uh, if I had given a local host one there, I have changed everywhere that the render link and local host link. That will be pretty confusing. So I use this variable, and let's change it here. If you didn't use a variable, you can change, like you have to copy this link and paste it everywhere, every single time you use that backend localhost code. So after that, I'm going to create build, like you have to type npm run build and enter. So wait a minute. Okay, now build has created. Now I'm going to a new website, uh, netlify.com. The specialty of all of this is all completely free. You can deploy without costing a single dollar. That's the main benefit here. So I'm going to the website, and if you have a account, you can log in, or else you have to sign up. I'm going to log in to my account. So this is my account. Yeah, you have to create a site. Now I have created 3 sites, and then after creating the site, go to the site you want to deploy, and then go to deploys here and upload your build file, right? Go to the record and upload it here. Okay, now as you can see, our website has deployed. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video, and please like and subscribe. Keep coding and keep smiling. Hope to see you soon again. Bye.